Hi, hello people, welcome back to Smart Learning YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm just going to discuss about the update related to IRC test for TCS company. Apart from that, I also tell you the difference between IRC test, DRC test and the main exam. So do not skip the video and do watch the video till then. I have already made a video related to TCS test pattern and selection process. You can refer the previous video or else I'm providing that video link in this video description. Do not forget to watch that video before you going to attempt the main exam. And if you are very new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications whenever we post a video. Okay guys, let's get started. At first, some of you might already got a mail related to IRC test on 10th August. So the people who have received the mail related to IRC, that exam will be conducted on 11th August. There are a lot of people who haven't received any type of mail from TCS related to IRC test. So for these people, what I can say is, we have time until 14th August. They can also receive the mails on 11th August or 12th August or 13th or 14th. Do not worry about this, you will definitely receive the mail related to IRC test because we have time until August 14th. So basically what is this IRC test means? It will test your computer system requirements whether you can complete the online assessment successfully or not from home, because you have chosen the option remote, right? So it is necessary to check your system requirements. And some of people might think like this IRC test is not mandatory, we can skip this test. It is wrong. You have to complete the exam because you will be very confident if the system requirements are correct. And also the exam platform is completely different and some of the people might not have any idea about the platform. If you complete these IRC and DRC exams, then it will give the flexibility to complete n number of exams in same platform in the future. This is why they will conduct this type of mock test. Once you complete this IRC test, then after you will get a separate mail related to DRC test. So basically this DRC test is to get you familiar with the actual exam. We can say it is a replica of actual exam. For this DRC test, the number of questions, number of sections and the total time duration will be completely same as like your actual exam. So whatever type of questions you have faced in the DRC test, maybe you can face the same questions or same type of questions in the main exam also. So it is important to complete this DRC test also. To complete this IRC and DRC test, we have some set of steps. You can refer all those steps in the received mail itself. They have clearly mentioned each and every point in the mail. So better to follow the same steps and complete the exam within the time limit. I hope the video is clear. I have explained each and everything very clearly related to IRC and DRC exams. My suggestion is do not miss both the exams, do attempt it so that you will get to know all the things. Okay, then that's all from this video guys. Stay tuned in our channel for more latest updates and also visit our website smartlearningyt.in. You can refer the website link in this video description as well. And if you like this video, please like the video and do share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Still, if you have any type of questions, feel free to reach us in our Instagram page or Telegram account. Links provided in the video description. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.